All right, traders, it's Irvin here. Welcome back, guys. We are already trading on the month of December, so welcome to our best day trading entries that I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna give you guys the following pair. I'm gonna show you exactly what is going on with Euro USD. I'm gonna break it down slowly so you can get it and we can move forward. Okay, the next pair that I'm gonna give you guys is going to be USD JPY. I'm gonna tell you exactly what is gonna happen next week, and hopefully you can catch some of those pips. Another amazing pair that I'm gonna give you is going to be gold. I'm gonna break down step by step, guys, so you can get it. But this is the way how we're gonna break it down. Actually, let me go ahead and give it to you right away, because there's no point for us to waste our time. So, but welcome back, guys. Welcome to our day trading entry weekly analysis. Let's go. Let me go ahead and show you what this week is gonna be. It's gonna be explosive. So this is what we do, guys. This is what I want you to do. So we're gonna be using multiple time frame. We love to pay attention on the dashboard. The dashboard will always give you the answer, no matter what you're gonna do at the market. Just by looking at the dashboard, this is the dashboard, just by looking into the 1 minute all the way to the 1 month, it tells you exactly what's going on. So I like to pay attention what 4 hours is doing and daily time frame. So the 4 hours is telling the market is coming down, and the daily time frame is telling me the market is in a buy trend. So when I see these folders going on the opposite way, that represent to me right away the 4 hours is doing a pullback going against the larger time frame, which is your daily time frame. The next thing that you're gonna pay attention, guys, you're gonna be paying attention to the multiple time frame. The multiple time frame is always gonna be this magenta arrows. It's gonna tell you it's in a sell, it's gonna tell you it's in a buy, sell. It's that simple. Okay, so you're gonna be paying attention to the multiple time frame. Multiple time frame is letting us know here it will not sell. Then the next way that we look into the multiple time frame, we will look for the TW sniper entry. When the market is selling, you're gonna get this red stair here coming down. When the market is in a buy, it tells you here it's in a buy, and you get the green stairs going up. And that's it. If you pay attention, it's very simple to look into the market. So when the stairs tell you the market is selling, the trend is going one down, and then if it goes up, you're gonna get it just like that. So it's very straightforward. All right, so now that we know what is going on with the dashboard, so we see in the market here is doing a pullback, right? So now let's go ahead and let me show you the real data, because that is why it matters right now. We love to pay attention what reality is doing, because that's how you and I make money. So this is what we're gonna do. Look at here. I gave you this pair last week. I told you guys market is gonna be selling, and boom, it's sold. But overall, if you pay attention here, look at the multiple time frame, letting us know that we're in a buy trend. That's the original trend. Look at the TW sniper entries in a buy trend. Look at the stairs. Where's the stair heading on gold, guys? Look at that. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard told you the daily time frame here is only going in one direction only, and that is on a buy position. That is exactly what we're seeing here versus the daily time frame. Here's the 4 hours. Look at the 4 hours. 4 hours is telling that we are doing a pullback at this real time. So the pullback is real, guys. So what I'm seeing here is, yes, the market is in a sell position at this time. So sell position is still on. How far is this sell position gonna go? In my opinion, still gonna come back and retest this previous multiple time frame. Look at here, his previous multiple time frame. 1, 2, multiple touches in here. Super amazing, guys. So market still gonna drop another few $100 down, and then guess what is gonna happen, guys? We are gonna be looking for a pullback. I'm sorry, going with the original trend, because the buyers are taking control on gold, and then we're gonna continue on the buy all the way to our 50 to our 38 Fibonacci level, and then from there we're gonna get another small pullback. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Do you think gold makes sense, guys? If you're getting confused, please let me know, guys. Join the link in the description of this video. Get in touch with me, guys. Make sure, guys, that if you want to get in touch with me, talk to me directly, guys. You know my voice. Make sure nobody reach out to you and say, hey, we get in touch with you on behalf of Team with Irving. No, I am who I am. I work just myself here, guys. I have another team, but they don't get involved in my trading stuff. So you're gonna hear only directly from me. Okay, so I want you to know that. So if you want the multiple time frame, let me know. I'll give you I think I already dropped 50% off already, so it's pretty good deal. And so let's go. Okay, all right, the next pair that I'm gonna give you guys is going to be Euro USD. Boom. Let's go ahead and break it down one more time so you can understand how the whole process works. Remember, the very first thing that you're always gonna pay attention is to the dashboard. What's the dashboard saying here? Boom! It's giving you the answer right away. It's telling you the 4 hours and daily time frame is only selling down. It's already giving you the answer. What are you gonna do now? What are you gonna do now? Now you're gonna do your full analysis, your full breakdown to make sure that that sell is true. Once again, guys, let me go ahead and give you a friendly reminder how the system works. You're always going to be looking for multiple time frame to go with the TW sniper entry. Remember, to look for entry, you're going to be looking into the stair. So when the stair is green, it means the trend here is only going in one way. Look at here, his previous multiple time frame, his a TW sniper entry. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. And what happened? Boom, market drop. It's that damn simple, guys. There's no way in this world that you are gonna get confused and say, Irvin, I don't understand how this system works. Look, it's very straightforward. 4 hours and daily is telling you, it's giving you the answer. Now, what are we gonna do next? We are going to move to real data. Look at here, real data. We're looking for multiple time frame to go with the TW sniper entry. Remember, you got the answer just by looking at the dashboard. Now here is multiple time frame is in a sell. What is TW sniper entry doing? It's in a sell. Look at the stairs. Where's the stair heading? 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at the trend. Don't say that I'm making this up. Look at the trend. The trend is only going in one direction. So how far is this sell gonna go? In my opinion, it's gonna come back and retest your 50 to your 61 Fibonacci level. There's previous multiple time frame in here. That's what I'm gonna leave it in there. And then we're gonna look for a reversal, reversing all the way to our 38.2 Fibonacci. Why? Because there's previous multiple time frame in there. And then guess what is gonna happen from there? Boom! Market will continue selling down because the market here is only going in one damn direction, and that it is selling. Woo! I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you guys. I get excited, guys. I don't care what you think. I'm getting very excited. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next pair of the week. And another amazing pair that you are gonna make hundreds. Remember one thing, guys, if you are finding value in this video, make sure you destroy the like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and what else I'm gonna tell you guys, make sure you trade with money that you can afford to lose, guys. This business is very risky. Don't trade any money you cannot afford to lose, okay? All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next pair. The next pair is going to be USD JPY. Look at that, guys. We're gonna do it again. I'm gonna show you the whole data, then we're gonna move to real data. Look at here. What is it? Where's the dashboard saying? Look at here. Just by looking at the dashboard, you already know. Hey, Irvin, both of them are in red. That means the market is in a sell position. So what are we gonna do next? We are going to look for multiple time frame to go with the TW sniper entry. That is what we're gonna do next. Now let's go ahead and move on to reality, real team, real data, and we are gonna show you here. We're gonna prove it to you because we are not making anything up in here. Look at here, guys. This is freaking amazing. This is what I think here. Look at here. Multiple time frame is doing what? Look at how. Boom. It's in a sell position. Look at the TW sniper entry doing. What is it doing? Look at that. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. Where is the market heading, guys? Where's the real trend? Boom. It's only going in one direction trend. Now, remember, on Friday, look at what we got on Friday. Market is gonna give us a surprise this coming week. It's giving us a heads up. It's not there yet. Do not get it confused. It's not fully a buy yet. So, but market gave us a heads up and said, Irvin, market is getting ready next week for a buy position. So If this buy position is ready, so this is what I think the market is going to do. Market is going to push all the way to your 38.2 Fibonacci. Then it's going to come back and retest this middle line of this trend line in here. It's going to come to the middle. And then from there, boom, market finally is going to be on that pullback, because this buy here is considered a pullback against the sellers here. This is what I'm gonna do, guys. If you are finding value and if you do subscribe, this is what I'm gonna give you today as a Christmas gift, because there's a lot of people that are gonna charge you for this stuff. I'm gonna give you for free, guys, this trend line in here. Do you see the white line in here? This is in the middle, and this has another one in here. Look at what the system comes. System come here, goes on the middle. This middle line here is a key level, guys. It's very powerful level. Look at here, it comes to the middle and then retrace back, come back. Look at it, attach on the top, multiple time frame showed up. Look at where it stopped. Stop in the middle, when come back on the top. Well, look at where it stopped. Stop in the middle, went back up. Look, it stopped. Look, it just broke it, because this is anyway. Look at the sellers are in chart. Look, it come back to the end. It's coming back here to the middle, and guess what is gonna happen? Boom! Market will continue selling down. If you want that, make sure you do subscribe, share it with 1 or 2, 3 traders, send me a screenshot, and you gonna get it for free. All right. So guys, hopefully you are finding value on this video. Once again, guys, I want to thank you. I want to thank you for the bottom of my heart. God bless you. God bless your family again. God bless the world. And I will say, guys, stay safe. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. Hasta la vista. Let's go. Let's trade with Team.